Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
I will show you an easy method to use Copilot in Teams meetings. First, confirm your organization has Copilot enabled in Microsoft 365 admin settings. Open Teams and join, or start the meeting where you want assistance. Click the Copilot icon in the meeting controls to open the pane on the right. If you do not see it, check your app updates and tenant policies. You can also enable Copilot for meeting notes, action items, and live summaries. Make sure presenters grant permission for transcription and Copilot features. During the meeting, speak plainly and tell Copilot what you need. Ask for a live summary by saying "Summarize now" or type "Summarize." Request action items with names and deadlines, for example, assigned to Sarah by Friday. Use Copilot to draft quick replies and follow-up emails during the meeting. If sensitive data appears, use redaction commands to remove it from notes. Save the transcript and export the Copilot summary as a Word or PDF file. Confirm distributed action items and deadlines at the meeting end for clarity. Before the meeting, set a clear agenda and share it with Copilot for context. Limit Copilot access to necessary participants to protect sensitive company data. Train your team on commands like summarize, extract action items, and redact. Review generated summaries carefully to ensure accuracy before distributing them externally. Integrate Copilot outputs into your CRM, task manager, or project plan for follow-up. Monitor usage and adjust tenant policies to balance productivity and compliance needs. Start simple, run a few trial meetings, and expand features as your team gains confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.